Etretat, a charming coastal town nestled along the Normandy coast of France, is a picturesque haven that has captured the hearts of artists, writers, and travelers for centuries. Renowned for its breathtaking cliffs, dramatic rock formations, and serene beaches, Etretat offers a serene escape that combines natural beauty, artistic inspiration, and a touch of maritime history. The iconic chalk cliffs of Etretat, including the famous Aiguille and Porte d'Ivoire arches, are the town's most recognizable features. These geological wonders have been immortalized in the works of renowned painters such as Claude Monet and Eugène Boudin. Visitors can explore these stunning cliffs by walking along the well-maintained trails that offer spectacular vistas of the coastline and the English Channel. Etretat's pebble-strewn beaches provide a serene setting for relaxation and contemplation. The Plage d'Etretat, nestled between the cliffs, is an ideal spot for picnics, beachcombing, and enjoying the soothing sound of the waves. The inviting waters also offer opportunities for swimming and water sports during the warmer months. The town's artistic legacy is celebrated at the Musée d'Etretat, which houses a collection of paintings, sculptures, and artifacts that pay homage to the artists who found inspiration in the town's landscapes. The museum's setting within a charming villa adds to its allure. Etretat's maritime heritage is evident in the historic Château d'Aigues, a former castle-turned-mansion that overlooks the sea. The town's proximity to the ocean has influenced its cuisine, with seafood taking center stage on many restaurant menus. Local eateries offer delectable seafood dishes that showcase the flavors of the Normandy coast. Visitors can take leisurely strolls through Etretat's quaint streets, lined with charming cottages, boutique shops, and art galleries. The town's ambience is particularly enchanting during the golden hours of sunrise and sunset, when the cliffs are bathed in soft hues and the sea glimmers in the light. Etretat's natural beauty has inspired various outdoor activities, from hiking and cycling to horseback riding. The nearby Valmont forest offers tranquil trails that wind through lush landscapes, providing opportunities for exploration and connection with nature. For those seeking a unique perspective of Etretat's cliffs and coastline, boat tours and kayaking adventures allow visitors to witness the geological formations from the water, offering a fresh and awe-inspiring viewpoint. Etretat is a destination that captures the essence of France's coastal allure, artistic legacy, and maritime heritage. Whether it's exploring the iconic cliffs, immersing in artistic history, savoring fresh seafood, or simply embracing the tranquil coastal atmosphere, Etretat invites travelers to embark on a journey that unveils the beauty of nature and the charm of a seaside retreat.